Olives and your weight loss journey. Janet here will give us very interesting information. The floor is yours, Janet.
I'm Janet of Taupi Center. Mediterranean Mastery, the science behind weight loss with olives. For centuries, the Mediterranean diet has been lauded for its ability to promote health and longevity. With its emphasis on plant-based foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and of course, olive oil, this eating pattern is associated with lower risk for chronic diseases and better weight management. But emerging research suggests that olives themselves, those succulent, salty fruits, deserve special recognition for their powerful effects on weight loss. The Mediterranean diet, a proven path to weight loss. The Mediterranean style of eating has long been linked to better health and weight management. This diet emphasizes plant foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. Healthy fats like olive oil and fatty fish are included in moderation, while red meat and sweets are limited. Wine can be consumed in small amounts with meals. What's the secret behind this eating pattern success? The Mediterranean diet promotes satiety from fiber-rich whole foods, provides antioxidants and micronutrients that support metabolic health, and contains beneficial fats that regulate appetite hormones. Following this diet consistently has been shown to facilitate weight loss without restricting calories. In one study, overweight individuals who followed a Mediterranean diet lost significantly more weight over 5 years compared to a low-fat diet group. Mediterranean dieters lost up to 10% of their body weight while lowering inflammation and improving cholesterol numbers. The diet's emphasis on satiating yet nutritious foods allows for long-term compliance and success. Olives are a quintessential component of the Mediterranean diet. Packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, these flavorful fruits exemplify the nutrient-dense foods that make this style of eating a powerful path to weight loss. Olives, nature's tiny powerhouses for weight management. Don't underestimate these small but mighty fruits. Olives provide a concentrated dose of nutrients that specifically target the aspects of metabolism that impact body weight. Olives are rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that has been linked to decreased abdominal fat storage. Population studies show that a higher intake of oleic acid is associated with lower body mass index and thinner waistlines. Oleic acid may stimulate release of appetite-reducing hormones like GLP-1 to promote satiety. The healthy fats in olives also help regulate levels of the hunger hormone leptin to prevent excessive hunger after eating. Leptin resistance is implicated as a driver of overeating and obesity. By improving leptin sensitivity, olives help normalize appetite control. Olives also provide bountiful antioxidants like polyphenols that fight oxidative stress and inflammation, improving metabolic regulation. Chronic inflammation in fat tissue and the liver disrupts insulin signaling and contributes to obesity. The anti-inflammatory effects of olives' polyphenols help counteract this process. Furthermore, the calories in olives come packaged within a fibrous fruit that takes time to chew. This makes their calories more filling. Research suggests that chewing produces satiety signals to the brain. So take your time and savor each olive to get the maximum weight loss benefit. Olive oil versus whole olives, which is better for weight loss? Both olive oil and whole olives deliver benefits for weight loss through their content of oleic acid and antioxidants. However, olives have some advantages over their extracted oil. While olive oil adds flavor and healthy fats to meals, its calories are very concentrated. This makes portion control and overconsumption easy. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil contains 119 calories, which can quickly add up if poured liberally over foods. In contrast, 10 medium olives provide only 42 calories along with fiber that induces satiety. Their flesh has more volume and requires chewing, giving a bigger satiety bang for the calorie buck. On the other hand, olive oil is rich in fat-soluble polyphenols that whole olives lose during processing. Its polyphenols show better absorption. One study found plasma polyphenol levels were 30 times higher in subjects who consumed olive oil versus whole table olives. So both forms have merits when included as part of an overall weight loss regimen. Using olive oil for dressing and cooking paired with eating whole olives as snacks provides optimal benefits. How olives support weight loss. Science has uncovered several mechanisms by which olives exert their weight loss effects. Satiety. As a fibrous, low glycemic fruit, olives provide prolonged feelings of fullness and satisfaction after eating. This leads to decreased hunger and calorie intake at subsequent meals. In one study, volunteers who ate a breakfast containing 30 grams of olives reduced their calorie consumption at lunch by 22%. Blood sugar control. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants in olives slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. This results in lower insulin levels, less fat storage, and reduced hunger. Consuming olives with a carb-rich meal has been shown to lower post-meal blood sugar by up to 25%. Gut health. Olives act as prebiotics, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria linked to lean body composition and balanced weight. A diverse, healthy microbiome promotes weight loss. Spanish green olives in particular have prebiotic fiber that feeds probiotic microbes like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. So by regulating appetite, controlling blood sugar, and improving gut function, olives create the optimal metabolic environment for shedding pounds. Scientific studies and weight loss success stories. Emerging research provides convincing evidence that olives have a place in effective weight loss programs. One study found that consuming whole olives before meals promoted increased weight loss over 3 months compared to a control group. The olive group lost nearly 5% more of their body weight on average than the control group. Researchers attributed this to olives' satiating effects. Another study had overweight subjects follow a calorie-restricted diet for 6 weeks with either 10 olives before lunch and dinner or no olives. The olive group dropped more body fat and saw greater improvements in insulin sensitivity. Beyond weight loss, studies note other metabolic benefits from olive consumption, like improved blood cholesterol levels, decreased oxidative damage, and normalized blood pressure. Together, this research confirms that olives boost weight loss while enhancing overall health. Beyond controlled trials, everyday people credit olives for boosting their weight loss success. Dominique incorporated daily olives into the Mediterranean-style diet that helped her lose 36 pounds. She explains, olives delivered a 1-2 punch of flavor and nutrition that really satisfied my hunger. James lost 28 pounds over 2 months while snacking on olives. That saltiness and rich taste curbed my appetite for less healthy foods. Olives became my go-to food for getting through the afternoons without breaking my diet. Lindsay struggled with late-night junk food cravings that sabotaged her weight loss efforts until she started eating a small olive snack after dinner. The olives satisfied me so I no longer felt compelled to binge eat cookies or ice cream before bed, she says. Incorporating olives into your weight loss journey. Here are some great tips for harnessing olives' weight loss powers. Add chopped olives to salads, grains, pastas, pizza, sandwiches, and omelets. Enjoy that briny flavor and crunch. Skewer olives with mozzarella, tomatoes, basil, and shrimp for an easy Mediterranean-style appetizer. Puree olives into dips, tapenades, sauces, dressings, and marinades. Spread on sandwiches or use as a veggie dip. Stuff or top poultry, meat, and fish with an olive-based mixture before cooking. Drink a homemade olive martini instead of sugary cocktails for a lower-calorie happy hour option. Satisfy sugar cravings by dunking olives in a few squares of dark chocolate. The bitter and briny combo curbs a sweet tooth. Add olive slices to homemade pizza, bread, and muffins for a tasty source of healthy fats. Snack on chilled olives right out of the fridge to pop a few anytime hunger hits. Practice portion control by limiting daily olive intake to about 1/4 cup. This provides benefits without excess calories. Olive varieties and their unique benefits, with dozens of olive types to choose from, which are best for weight loss. Here's an overview. Kalamata. These almond-shaped Greek olives contain high amounts of healthy fats and polyphenols. Their bold, earthy flavor makes them popular for cooking. Castelvetrano, bright green Italian olives that are fresh and buttery tasting. Their creaminess makes a great snack or salad topping. Picoline, elongated French olives that pack a light, nutty flavor. Their subtle taste works well in tapenades and sauces. Manzanilla, Spanish olives cured in a light brine for a crisp, tart olive pop. Add these to chicken, fish, or pasta dishes. Mission, medium black California olives that are nicely balanced between bitter and briny. Use in Mexican recipes. Kalamata, these Greek olives undergo extended curing in red wine vinegar, producing a smooth wine-infused flavor. Nicoise, small black olives from France with assertive, robust taste. They hold up well in hearty stews and casseroles. Gaeta, wrinkled Italian olives with an intense briny taste. They pack the most antioxidants and make great olive tapenade. Ligurian, shriveled Italian olives from trees that are centuries old. They have complex, spicy, fruity flavor. Mix up the varieties to find your perfect olive match. Choosing ones you love will make it easy to incorporate olives into a successful weight loss plan. Embrace the olive, your partner in sustainable weight loss. Olives offer much more than a burst of flavor. These potent little fruits are loaded with satiating nutrition that makes them a secret weapon for losing weight the healthy way. Their deliciousness alone provides motivation to follow a reduced calorie Mediterranean-style diet consistently. So embrace the olive in its many forms to boost satiety, improve metabolism, and conquer your weight loss goals.
That was great. Thank you for being with me and Janet today. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.